Hi everybody, Rose here from Rose M Creations. Thank you for joining me and welcome. So happy 4th of July weekend. So I wanted to do a painting red, white, and blue and silver. This is a 12 by 24 level 3 deep canvas, and I'm dedicating this painting to my Milano family. I'm gonna fill the chambers up while I talk. So Milano family is on my mom's side, and 4th of July always was a huge family cookout because there's one family in the Milanos, my aunts and uncles and cousins, that almost all of their birthdays are the 4th of July. So growing up, we always had a huge, I'm dripping everywhere. We had a huge family cookout or barbecue, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods. And we would celebrate that whole family's birthday. And growing up, till I was about 9, we lived in the same house. It was a 3-family house. And my family was on the middle floor and my cousins were on the first floor, and then another relative was on the top floor. Oh, by the way, I got the spray paint back. So I'm doing red, white, and blue, but I'm putting spray paint in this chamber because I don't want pink, I want red. I will see. I hope it doesn't wreck my cup, but. So, and then my birthday is not the 4th of July, the 1st, July 1st. So I wanted to do a painting 4th of July, but dedicating this to my Milano family. So it means a lot. I have some great memories for the 4th of July. All right, so I've got a split cup, and I'm just gonna do a ribbon, and then we'll see. So I hope you all have a great 4th of July with your family or your friends. Friends can be family, but for me, 4th of July is family. So, but you know. So I will give you a close-up of it wet, and I will show it to you dry. And I hope you all have a great 4th of July weekend. Enjoy your family, friends. And this, like I said, this is shout out to the Milano cousins and aunts and uncles. Love you guys, and hope to see you soon. And happy 4th of July. Peace, everybody. All right, here it is wet. A little close up. The edges are kind of cool. And there's some silver in there. I like the silver line there. I don't know if you can tell it's silver. There's some blue stuff popping up. So there it is wet, and I will show it to you dried. All right, here it is dried, and I'm very pleased with it. I actually feel like it looks almost like the outline of the United States. Call me crazy, but that's kind of what I'm seeing. You can see the silver, or hopefully I can capture it, but here's the details up close. But yep, there it is. I'll probably varnish it in a week or so. I hope you enjoy it, and happy 4th of July, everybody, and peace to everyone.